Today's video is a spring/summer makeup tutorial, and I mainly used yellows and greens so we don't have too much color going on. We're going to save the colors for summer, so stay tuned. If you want to know how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, before we get into the tutorial, I have to make a quick little disclaimer. I had some trouble exporting the files from my phone to my laptop, so the first part of the video till the second eyeshadow shade is in a better quality than the rest, but I had you zoomed in on my eyes so you can actually see what I'm doing, so I hope that's okay. I'm going to talk you through it anyway, but I just wanted to let you know. I always start off by doing my eyebrows, so I'm just filling them in with my eyebrow pomade. I put pictures to every product that I use on the screen, and they will also be linked in the description box. After I filled in my eyebrows, I'm just going to lock them in with some styling gel. I don't use foundation, so I'm just putting on some concealer and buffing that in with a damp beauty sponge, and also putting it on my eyelids so I can use it as a primer later on. Then I'm just going to set my concealer with some powder so it doesn't crease. I start with a bright yellow as my transition color, and I'm just blending it into my crease and slightly upwards. Now I'm applying a light green in the same area, but not blending it as high as the yellow, so the yellow still shows. After I'm done blending in the green, I'm using the same yellow from before and the mustard yellow to further blend the edges. We're doing a halo eye today, so I'm just going to pack a dark green into my outer and inner corner. I want a really nice dark green, so I'm just building the color up by going over it a bunch of times. After that, I'm blending the edges out with the lighter green. The dark green parts aren't as pigmented anymore, so I'm going to touch them up. After building up the dark green, I'm just going to blend the edges out with the yellows. On a different brush, I'm going to take the greens and blend them into my lower lash line. Now I'm just taking a light green with glitter pigments and put it in the center of my eye. To finish the eyeshadow, I'm going back in with the dark green and blending the edges to the light green. Now I'm adding a graphic liner and I'm just following the natural curve of my eyelid and then winging it out and then going back in to make the lines thicker. To highlight my inner corner, I'm using a white highlighter shade with golden undertones. I'm contouring my face with a bronzer from a blush palette that is linked down below. Then I'm adding some blush to my cheeks and to my nose to blush up my face. One of my favorite parts about doing makeup is highlighter, so I'm just using this rose gold color to highlight my cheekbones and the bridge and the tip of my nose. To finish off this look, I'm just applying a matte liquid lipstick. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want you can give this video a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, the subscribe button will be down below. Comment down below and give me some feedback. I don't care if it's positive or negative. I think I can learn from both. So yeah. If you want to follow me, my Instagram is @changinghumanbeing and my Snapchat is Mita Society. Bye guys!